Hey, welcome again, poopers. I'm Larry Gerber, the BarBeQue man. You're on hashtag straight poop. I got country style ribs, which aren't actually ribs. They're taken from the blade of the shoulder or towards the top of the loin. It's got a bone in it. Okay? Yes. But what I do with these guys, I rub them down. In my rub, got smoked paprika, cumin, chili powder, 5-spice, ground clove, cinnamon, mace, nutmeg, keef, salt, pepper. That's it. I did these 3, both top and bottom. Doing this one. And because we don't use sodium dioxide to keep the rub from clumping, because I don't want to add that crap. Even though they say, you know, it'll keep it from clumping, well, so will my hand. So will my finger. So that's when, you know, making rubs forever. This rub here is in our free e-cookbook. That's available to you guys when you go to the comments section. And at the very top, there's a pinned link. I've got about 20 barbecue cannabis rub recipes in that book. Okay, so have at it, man. It's there for your taking. It's a companion piece, so you can get the ingredients, you know, specifically for these recipes. Okay? And that's the hook. Go to the book. Get the recipes. Get the exact ingredients. Okay. These look pretty damn good, don't they? Yeah. Okay, so what I'm going to do is we're going to go outside after 3 days and we're going to put them on a pit. I'm going to quick grill them for a few minutes just to brown the outsides, right? Quick grill the outside. Then I'm going to lower the box on my pit and I'm going to get them into a smoky environment, okay, for about 2 hours. After that, I'm taking them and I'm putting them into crock pot with barbecue sauce that's infused with cannabis oil and keef and some other things. And I'm gonna let them go for about 4 hours. Okay, so these are going into a Ziploc bag and they're gonna be in the fridge for 72 hours and then we'll go outside. So meet us outside, poopers. Thanks for joining us here on hashtag Straight Poop. Hey, welcome back to hashtag Straight Poop Poopers. I'm lowering the box. I got my country style ribs on here. Like I said, I'm going to grill them fast. See how they're doing. Exactly how I want them. See how they drink up that rub? Exactly how we want them. We want that caramelization. Let me get to this side. Yeah. Then, yeah, that's what we want. We want that caramelization, the sugars in the rub, and sugars from the natural protein to caramelize like that. I'm gonna leave them on this grill for maybe another 10 minutes, okay? Then, I'm lowering the box all the way down to the barbecue setting. I'm gonna smoke these for 2 hours, okay? Like I said, they're from the pork shoulder. So they, even like a whole pork butt, or a whole shoulder, or a picnic ham, or even a picnic arm, you know, it needs low and slow. Same thing here, this is just cut off the blade. But if you put it all together, it'd be one piece, a roast. So they need to be going, and then, like I said, I'm gonna put them in a crock pot with barbecue sauce. I'll tell you what that recipe is after it's done. It's laced with keef and cannabis oil. So And there's some brandy tincture and other things that we'll go through that when we do the plating and stuff. So try this recipe. It's at the top of the pinned comment in this section, top of the section. It's pinned. Grab it, and it'll be in your email box, lickety split like Toot Sweet. Okay, so we'll see you inside when this is done. Thanks for joining us here on hashtag Straight Poop, poopers. My dogs love having you here. Hang loose. Hey guys, welcome back to hashtag Straight Poop. Yeah, got those off the grill. Aren't they beautiful? Man, caramelized just like they should be. They're going into the crock pot with barbecue sauce, keef, cannabis oil, Worcestershire, salt a little bit because I'm using Worcestershire soy sauce, ground black pepper, maybe some ginger, dried ginger, and some apple cider vinegar with the mother! So, hang loose. Give us a second. We'll get it out of the crock pot and give you a beauty shot. Thanks for joining us here on hashtag Straight Poop. Hey, poopers. Welcome back to hashtag Straight Poop. Yeah, here's the finished product, man. See how nice it came away? I could break that off with my fingers. I checked it after 2 hours, and the meat wasn't as pliable as I liked. So it went 2.5 hours. But God, man, it is smoky, I'm telling you. Look at this. There's the bone, gone. You could just tear, okay? Tear it apart. That's how tender it is. And being that it's part of the shoulder, okay? Oh, there's a lot of good burned ends on here too, because why not? You know what I'm saying? Of course you know what I'm saying. So yeah, it's part of the shoulder, like I said. And if you cook that correctly, and you know, hour a pound, and you're able to remove the bone very easily, okay? And it's just all meat. You could chop this up, eat it in a sandwich. You can make a burrito or a taco or whatever the hell you want to do with it. Or just eat it plain, dip it in sauce. The sauce I was going to talk to you about. I use Dr. Pepper, half a cup. I use half a cup of KC Masterpiece. I use a half a cup of cannabis oil, garlic, ginger, apple cider vinegar, salt, pepper, a squeeze of lemon. That's it. All right, I put it in the bottom of the crock pot. I line these guys up. I toss them. Then I put it on medium for 2 hours. Okay, after that, turn it off, let it sit. Toss them. This is what we got. Then I take some of the sauce because it liquefies, of course, and it turns into like a barbecue au jus. And that's exactly what you want. Okay, poopers? So grab that free e-cookbook. It's at the top of the comments section, pinned. Click the link. And you can make this recipe too. And there's several pulled pork recipes, brisket recipes, but I want to bring you stuff more than just the common guy. This is my brisket. This is my pulled pork. This is my bear can chicken. No, I'm bringing you everything. Everything in the menagerie that I addressed in the cookbook. Game meats, fowl, beef, pork, lamb, you know, chickens, whatever. I'm bringing it to you, and nobody else is on YouTube or anywhere else. So thanks for tuning in to hashtag Straight Poop. Poopers! My dogs love having you, okay? Because I get to cook and they get to not eat. Hang loose!